Hi and welcome to the Malat cookery channel. So in this video I'm going to be making a traditional mint sauce. Right, so it's Sunday today. We're having roast lamb for Sunday dinner, and the only thing you can have really with roast lamb is mint sauce. It's the law, especially in our house. So I've been making mint sauce, now traditional mint sauce, for a couple of years. We haven't bought a jar of, I can't remember the last time we bought a jar of mint sauce. So I'm going to go through that process today. It is so simple. We're out in the garden. It's a lovely afternoon. It's been raining for most of the week, so we're happy to get out in the garden. So let's crack on, make this traditional mint sauce. First thing I'm going to do is to show you the ingredients, and a full list of ingredients will actually be listed at the end of this video. Right, so this is the fresh mint that we're going to be using for our mint sauce today. So this actually came from one plant which we bought from the supermarket. You know, those leggy herb plants in the plastic sleeves that you get that should only last about 7 days. We buy those, cut them right down, replant them straight away or repot them straight away, and we end up with herb plants that last for years. I think this is about 3 years old, and it came from one plant and now it's spread to 3. There's probably 4 or 5 pots. Mint is very aggressive once it gets going, and will last you obviously a lifetime. So that's our fresh mint. So with that in mind, the ingredients then for this recipe. So I've got a handful of fresh mint leaves which have been taken from the stalk, and I've just give those a quick rinse and dried. They say about 30 grams, but I never measure them out. Need a pinch of salt, 4 tablespoons of distilled white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of caster sugar or fine sugar, and 4 tablespoons of boiling water. So the first thing we need to do is we need to chop this mint very finely. Unfortunately, you can't do this in a food processor as a cheat because it just goes to pulp. You want these to be nice sort of fine pieces. Okay. Obviously, the finer you can get this, the better. Next thing to do is to add in our caster sugar. So level tablespoons for this. Our boiling water. So 2 tablespoons of caster sugar, 4 tablespoons of boiling water, 4 tablespoons of our distilled white vinegar, and a pinch of salt. Mix that in. Believe it or not, that's it. So we're going to leave this to cool. I'm going to put this into an airtight container in the fridge. This will last about 2 weeks if you don't use it all straight away. So there you go, fresh mint sauce, straight from the garden, literally 10 minutes from picking to actually making the sauce. Please subscribe to the channel, and as usual, if you've enjoyed this particular video, hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching.